Welcome to the SmartBook video series. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the read phase. When you first launch a SmartBook chapter reading assignment, SmartBook will automatically open in the read phase and take you to the first page of that assigned chapter. In this example, we're in a psychology SmartBook, and I am on the first page of chapter 2. Before starting to read, a good tip is to preview the chapter first. By default, the chapter preview panel on the left will be open, so that you can explore the key topics and see how the chapter is organized. When you are ready to start reading, just close the preview panel by clicking this icon here. Now I'm going to go to the next page of this chapter so we can take a look at the reading experience itself. As I look at the page, one thing you will notice is that some of the text is already highlighted in yellow. SmartBook uses highlights to call out the most impactful concepts you need to learn at that moment. This allows you to focus on what matters most, which can save you valuable time. Now, if you look below the highlighted text, you will see that some of the text is lightly grayed out. That is because SmartBook has identified this content as being less impactful at this time. However, as you engage with SmartBook, the highlighting will continuously change based on what you have learned and what content you still need to master. In fact, yellow highlighted content that you prove mastery of later in the practice phase will turn green to show that you now understand those concepts. Now let's take a look at the navigation and functionality available in the read phase. In the bottom right hand corner, you will see this 3-line icon, which reveals 2 functions. The top selection allows you to view your SmartBook in a 2-page spread. The bottom one launches the instructional coach, who will pop up to talk about the current phase you are in and how it works. As you would expect, clicking on the big A here in the lower right will increase the text font size, and clicking on the smaller A will decrease it. There are also 2 ways to move through the pages of your SmartBook. Clicking on the inner arrow here will advance you 1 page at a time, while the outer arrow will advance you to the page with the next highlighted topic. If you click on any lightly grayed out section of the text, it will turn the text to normal, and clicking it again will turn it back to lightly grayed out. If you click on this highlighter icon in the lower left, it will do 2 things. It will turn off SmartBook's adaptive highlighting and also switch the grayed out text to normal. However, it is recommended to keep the adaptive highlighting turned on. Now I have fast forwarded to show you that once SmartBook determines that you have read enough pages in the chapter, the practice icon will start to glow and the coach will pop up, which is a recommendation that it is a good time to practice what you have read so far. When you are ready, just click the practice button to enter into the practice phase. Because there is another version of SmartBook available, and the one you will be using in your course may be different from the one used in this video series, I wanted to take a moment to highlight a few of those differences. If your SmartBook looks like this, then your version of SmartBook includes search capabilities, as well as the ability to take notes and underline your text. And under the Settings button, you will also have the ability to print pages of your SmartBook. Another difference with this version is that instead of advancing 1 page at a time, here you scroll down the page to read all pages in that section, and then when you reach the bottom, click Next Section to continue reading. You can also type in any page number to go directly to that page. You may also see additional learning resources integrated within the textbook. You can use these to further your understanding of the concepts directly to the left. Despite the fact that there are some differences with this version of SmartBook, how you complete the assignment works exactly the same. That completes this video about the read phase. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series, and thank you for watching.